First, we'll link up in half a tree right near the Brooklyn supermarket. You can tell it's a good turnout so far. Look at the crowd. This excursion is organized by the Island Boy Outdoor Adventure Group. Shout out to Richard for making it happen. Look at this flyer. As a professional graphic designer, I approve this flyer 100%. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This adventure was 6,000 Jamaican dollars and included 2 locations, the Sugarloaf Hike to C-Pond Waterfall and a trip to the Holywell Blue and JohnCrow Mountains Adventure Park. Don't forget, part 2 of this adventure to the Hollywood Adventure Park is linked in the description below, so check it out. Before we head out, of course, we had to wait on the late ones. It's a Jamaican thing. But look who finally reached. Alright, so Adira is here. Let's go. As we head to Gordontown, you already know the views are going to be spectacular. And of course, we had to stop by the famous statue of Miss Lou. Okay, so we've got our photos, now let's get back to the trip. So yes, we're gonna start the trip now. This is our journey. This is Nature Adventure Jamaica. We are in Gordontown right now. We're gonna do a hike, the Sugarloaf hike. I first time I do a hike? No, I wouldn't say first time I do a hike, but I first time I actually prepare for a full hike. So I look forward to that one here, you know. There with the Island Boys crew, so we're getting into some stuff, alright? So please like, share, comment, subscribe. This is Nature Adventure Jamaica. We're going everywhere. When I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. Alright? Big up. From here, you'll see 2 paths. To the right, there's Sugarloaf, which is where we're heading today. And to the left, you'll find Penfield and Hope River along that path, which we've already explored. If you missed that video, it's linked in the description below. Alright, now it's time to start the trail.
It's kind of, you know? I tour this side too, you know. Yeah. The whole thing, we make it, you know? Me deal with it.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, the real deal, man.
Yeah,
No one them
me and
say.
my wife.
Eh?
So, me and my wife, we do a tour this side. Historical herbal hike.
Sugarloaf Herbal Hike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Historical.
And historical. Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
So me would normally do the herbal part.
Yeah, she do the history.
Yeah.
Oh, teamwork, man. So what the missus do now?
She gone to a different place.
Oh, she gone to a different work, man. Alright, that's cool, man. That's cool. Please like and subscribe, guys. We're about to start the hike. Okay, let's go. Don't struggle, no worry. 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes into the hike. Well,
Now say it's soft, but I've been on harder ones. It's very steep at some levels of the hike. So at times I couldn't even film because if I film, the camera might not come back with me. But other than that, it's manageable. I'd say low to medium level. Anybody can forward. Surprised I did a struggle. Watch her. Because she normally lends me, but she look like she overpack.
Yeah. I'm tired too.
No man, you're not only overpack. You look like you come here tired. What you did before?
Whole heap of walking.
Whole heap of walking? Well, walking good for you, man. Get the exercise in for 2025. Come.
Yeah,
Come on.
Man.
Yeah man, come on. Left foot, man. Left foot. You can do it. I believe in you.
Different parts of the hike are different levels.
Yeah, so sometimes it gets flat and nice, and other times that's a nice little stroll, you know. Nothing too hard, man. One wrong move and you're gone tumbling down. 30 minutes into the hike, and it's a beautiful location. Just look around with. No man. Place look breathtaking. Yo, I did you cut left. You see, yo, sometimes you need to know your real friend, you know. Go on. You cut left me, go ahead. 30 minutes into it. So far, so good. It's better when you come with a guide because when my sister sometimes there are other paths on the hike. And what means that when you think you're supposed to go right, you go left. When you think you're supposed to go left, you go right. So it's a good thing that you have somebody on the path to help you out. So far, I'm gonna need no resting yet. So far, I'm not on the shoulder issues. I fuck, I'm right on me. I use the whole phone and things are going good. So I'm very excited, man. It's a good hike so far, man. I would recommend it. Well, maybe I talk too soon. I'm reach the top. Let me know. All right. Please like and subscribe so I can finish the hike here. All right. Thank you. There's a guide. You see, we're supposed to go this way, and I dear and some other people going this way. Lucky the guide realized I know them I walk them back. So come with a guide. The amount of places me go. I'm a nature man. I always walk with a guide. So what happened? Anything can almost miss a spot now, man. That's why it's always good you come with a guide. Cause turn when I turn, you know, I almost miss it. But they wait this before we come back. And walk with hiking shoes. This is look like after the all fours section of this, man. Over this one, we can see a peak of the water. Young girl, me? Woo! Alright, I forgot to put on the phone. I can't. Yeah, look on that steep something. You can tell me I can't walk with my phone and this, alright? So, yeah, man. See how Richard help out, the tour guide help out, because you know it's not easy. Please. Reach! So everyone go on your friend? Yeah. Or everybody feel gone?
No, it's actually.
Alright.
I saw that one I tell him forward now.
Yeah. These are the hidden falls, man, yes. Go a little closer. A little more closer. Watch it. There's a strong falls today.
Please like and subscribe, guys.
My boss. My boss, you know what the waterfall name? C-Pass?
C-Pond.
C-Pond? So C-Pond Falls or just C-Pond?
C-Pond.
Just C-Pond? Oh, we need to rename it, man. Want a sexier name than that, man.
It's almost the same height, right across.
Right across? Yeah, no problem.
It's just around for me.
So no deep.
Just to the corner of that side.
To the right.
To the corner of that side. There was a cave.
What's a cave, but it gone?
Cave dumper.
Ah, sure.
That side is the deep. Side is the deepest part.
Okay, alright. So everybody should be fine then, man. You can swim, right? Alright, good. You know, some company hike already 40 minutes to the top, 1 hour to the bottom, and the hike man tell me, say, yo, you know him can't swim, you know. So nobody try a thing. Yo, so I'm glad to say you can swim, boss. Give me a name?
My name?
Yeah.
George.
George from Sugarloaf, Jamaica's herbal and historical hikes.
Yeah.
Alright. Big up, man. Big up.
The water is crystal clear, refreshing, and perfect for swimming.
So one thing everybody can agree on is that the water cold. This is me telling George, the tour guide, to save me just in case I can't manage the water. Closer to the waterfall is the deepest part of the river, so if you can't swim, no come this far. So we finally make it. Now, see falls. Well, to get a better view, man, alright? So check us out. Now look on the time, 9:51. So them right when them say 45 minutes. I will stop a bunch of times and everybody could manage it fully. But yeah, man, but the place fucking man. Looks like me to come back up here with me and just one other tour guide or something, man. But it's a nice group of people, man, alright? And here them behind me a change. So nobody see her, so me have block off review, no peeking, But yeah, man, please like, share, and subscribe. More content are forward. We'll check out the falls, alright? The name C-Pond. That's what the falls name, C-Pond. I don't know why yet. We'll probably put that in a post. But it's a strong flow of water, may I tell you. A strong flow of water. You can still say we're still in a rainy season, man.
There are 2 gorgeous pools here, perfect for chilling out after the hike. The atmosphere is peaceful, the water is cool, and the entire scene feels like a hidden paradise. The C-Pond Waterfall gets its name from its unique pond shape, semicircular, resembling the letter C, and has served as a cherished natural escape for the local community for many years. To check out the second pool of water. If you're loving the view, please like and subscribe. And it gets so much better. Check this out.
So the biggest highlight for that trip here is when you go close to the waterfall and feel the rush of the water on your skin. It's an amazing feeling. I wanted to do the exact same thing at the top of the waterfall, but sadly it is too strong. Even though I can swim, couldn't manage it. Although to be fair, I still recover from a shoulder injury, so I'm not 100% back to my full self, but so I couldn't do it up top, but right over here so. But I highly recommend anybody forward just right this one. That feels extremely good, and most importantly, it is shallow. I'm 5'11" though, so maybe if you're too short it not work for you, but it's shallow. Feels good. Highly recommend it.
This video was sponsored by you, the viewer. That's right, you watching this on YouTube. So please like and subscribe. We really need the support. Thank you.
I did the hike with my wife, very more. We did the hike together. Yeah, man. So I did the hike with my wife. Yeah. We have people from all over the world.
You live around here?
I come from this side.
Okay.
Born and grew in Sugarloaf, but I live in Migotan. Yeah, we located for 20 years now.
Oh, okay.
This is where I born and grew. I know the place very well.
That's good then, man. Alright, man, we have a guy.
My mother and my father still live in the hills, and they are 70. My mother is 70, my father is 75. Yeah, and they walk this road every day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright then. Good then, man.
We did a hike here. We have people like from Europe, Mexico, Madagascar.
You have a page you can shout out? Like social media?
It is Sugarloaf Hike on Instagram.
Sugarloaf Hike on Instagram. Alright, check it out, people.
You go up on Ross Kitchen with what is his name again? Matcha. Yeah, you can see it. Where you do an interview with us. Yeah, the Sugarloaf Hike.
You check it out, man. Check it out. I'm running before.
So it's Sugarloaf Hike on Instagram.
There's some caves used nearby, but they need some fix up before we can go there. So not this time around, man, but hopefully next time I can run in, because I seriously want to jump in on cave. I want to actually make sure I come out of the cave as well, but I definitely want to run in on one, alright? So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. More adventures are forward, alright? In fact, this is just part 1. Part 2 soon reach. So we have to Holywell next. Alright? So Sugarloaf now, Holywell next. Whew. Alright. Let me show you. Keep right over there. Alright, with a bag of people there. My gosh, man. Normally when I go up on trip and I really enough people there, you know, but it's a nice group of people this one, so I'm not too mind. Alright, I'm running now.
A big shout out to the Island Boy Outdoor Adventure Group for organizing this trip. If you're interested, you can also check out George and his wife for their Sugarloaf Herb and Historical Tour. Both contact details are also in the description below. And don't forget to check out part 2 of this adventure at Holywell Adventure Park. The link is in the description. This is Johnny signing off. See you on our next adventure.
That is cool, yeah.